Hello everyone, I'm teacher Natalie from the edtechwizard.com. Welcome to my channel, to my little corner of the internet. I currently teach for Outschool and VIP Kid, and I have been teaching online for 2 years now. Before I taught online, I was a brick and mortar special education teacher for 4 years. But after having kids, I decided I wanted to stay home and be with my kids, be a mom. So I found teaching online, and it still gives me that great opportunity to teach as well as be a mom. Working from home has been such a blessing in my life. With both companies, I get to pick my own schedule, work around my own hours. And it is fantastic, such a blessing in my life because I love teaching. I absolutely love teaching. So I can still teach, but more importantly, I get to be home with my kids as well. And I love that I can help out financially. So working at home, teaching from home helps me do that. On my channel, you will find videos all about teaching online for Outschool and VIP Kid and help through the application process and how to create engaging lessons, how to incorporate games into your lessons to make them fun and interactive. It is all here on my channel, as well as tech tutorials. I love using technology in my classes. They make lessons so much more fun for my students. So you'll find tech tutorials like Nearpod, using Google, Canva. They are all here for you on my channel. So go check them out. They are a great way to make your lessons fun and interactive. If you would love help through the application process for either Outschool or VIP Kid, just create an account for one of those companies with my link down below and send me an email that you used it, and I would be happy to coach you through the application process and beyond so you can be a successful online teacher and earn money from home as well. I am so glad you stopped by. See you soon.